If you've ever watched the Antiques Roadshow, you've seen experts examine items and give the owners a quote for how much it's worth. When they inspect the antique, they're looking at the condition. When they appraise it, they're determining the value. It's the same in the real estate world. My name is Andrew Tahanchuk with Cornerstone Home Lending, and today we're going to dive into the differences between the inspection and an appraisal. An inspection is used to determine what condition your potential home is in. Home inspectors are looking for electrical issues, examining the foundation, and determining what problems there are or will be in the future. This helps you determine if the home is worth your investment. An appraisal is used to determine how much the home is worth. An appraiser is going to use factors like location, school districts, size of lot, and comparable homes in the area to determine the value of your home. This information is going to give your lending team the numbers they need to make sure you have the funds to close on the home. A lot of home buyers wonder if they need to have both the appraisal and the inspection. If you're applying for a mortgage, an appraisal is required to determine how much the home is worth, while the inspection isn't required. However, it's always a good idea to understand what condition your potential home is in. The appraisal and inspection work together to ensure you're getting a home you'll love and is worth the investment. If you're interested in learning more about the process, reach out. I would love to answer any questions you may have. You can shoot me a message, comment below, or call my team at 918-998-6878. Thank you so much for watching this week's video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.